Hi, my name is Nishma Karia and I'm from Kenya. I just flew in on Sunday. My dad was asked to come in here for a heart checkup. He did an echo in Rajkot, and when he did the echo, the doctor called Mridul Sharma, who's been his doctor for years, said, sorry, you can't go back, it's too high, it's 148, you have to have a surgery. So Dr. Mridul Sharma referred my dad to Dr. Anil Jain here at this hospital, and straight away I wasn't too sure about who the doctor is, how the hospital is. All these questions were arising in my head when I was flying here. I was like, it's a surgery, it's my dad's heart. Is it going to be okay? It's not going to be okay. Like, I had no idea of what I'm going to expect. Anyways, I land here Monday morning. We come to the hospital at 1 p.m. because we had a meeting with the doctor. So when I entered the entrance of the hospital, I didn't know what I was expecting because my mom and dad have had surgeries in Ahmedabad before, and the hospitals are just okay. I mean, average, like normal hospital, like a hospital's energy is just everywhere the same. But as soon as I stepped foot in this hospital, I turned to my left, and in the corner there was Sita, Lakshman, who my dad really believes in. There's Ganpati Bappa, who I truly believe in, and all gods, Krishna, Srinaji, Sita, Lakshman. And I was like, wow, it was just there. I mean, it was so pungent, and the lighting, it was all fresh. It was like not dull. It was not like, somewhere like you felt like in a hospital. So literally I stepped in, I touched the ground, and I'm like, wow, I was so impressed. Straight away then, we were asked to sit down, and everybody at the front desk were very professional. They received us really well. And then we went and had a meeting with Dr. Anil Jain at the EpicHospital. And when we walked into his office, he received us so well. He explained to me, who is not sure about what the surgery is all about, what's going to happen to my dad. He took me step by step explaining where he stands, and he was like, it's 148, it's not even like it's a criminal thing to be alive, you have to have the surgery immediately. And I was thinking, oh, my dad has no pain or anything, so why should he have surgery? But in hindsight, we really don't know what's happening inside our bodies till something comes up. But in this situation, we were so blessed that Dr. recognized that Mridul Sharma in Rajkot, when he did the echo, he referred him to Anil Jain. Anil Jain took care of him so well. On Monday, we checked into the hospital. Tuesday morning, he had his surgery, and honestly, when he was going to the surgery, even that energy, I was feeling like, wow, you know what? I didn't have any doubt because of the ambience, the doctor, the way everything was so programmed in a synchronicity way that it all was like on a time base. And so everything that was happening during the surgery, we were alerted. Even his valve that they removed, they also gave us this as a sample to see what my dad's valve was and everything. They kept us on prompt. They also, after the surgery, video called us to show us our dad. Everything was so like organized in a synchronicity way that I was so happy to see. And then after, when he went into the ICU, when I went to see him, of course he was on a ventilator. The next day he was already sitting. So like he was recovering super fast, and now he's in the ward and the doctors keep checking on him. He's progressing really well. And all I can say is that never underestimate or feel doubtful about EpicHospital, because I am one of the people who's his daughter, my dad's daughter, and I can say for one thing that it is so beautiful, it's so amazing, you don't even feel like it's a hospital, and the treatment here is number one. Thank you.